Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Welcome to our new video tutorial. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to create a calculator program in PHP. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much for all my subscribers. If you are new with my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I can know on what are the topics in computer programming, about life, information technology, that I can make a new video or reaction on it. So let's get started. So here we can see in our web browser we have here the program. The title of the program is calculator program in PHP. So value number 1, and value number 2, we have 4 buttons: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So for value number 1, let's say for example we have here 5,020, and then for value number 2 we can have example 5. So when we click the add button, we can have 25. When we click the subtract button, we can have 15. If we click the multiply button, we can have 100. And then lastly, if we click the divide button, we can have 4. Now let us go with our text editor. I'm using here Sublime Text Editor. You can use any text editor that you want in writing this code. By the way, I will provide the link in the description of this video tutorial so that you can copy the complete source code. You will visited my website and then you copy the complete source code if you don't want to type. So here we have here the standard HTML title, calculator program in PHP, and then we have here the style, font, family, Arial, and then body. So we have here form, method, post, action. We have here the blank, and then we have here header 2, or the title, calculator program in PHP. So we have here less than, question mark, PHP, beginning tag of a PHP program, and then we have here 3 variables: the $n1, $n2, and $res equals 0. One of the things that I've learned in programming, not only in PHP but in other programming languages just like Java, C++, C#, Pascal, before when I was still at college, is that always when you declare a variable, always initialize it if we are dealing with integer to 0. The main reason is that if we don't initialize the variable to 0, there might be a possibility that when we run a program, the result is not correct as we may expected. So make it a habit, a correct programming habit, to always to initialize the variable to 0 if we are dealing with integer values. So here we have here if I set $post operation. So the word operation here refers to this name of our 4 button, namely the add, subtract, multiply, and then lastly we have the divide button. So here $n, $post, N1. So the N1 here represent the text type box here. This is the variable, and then this will be the PHP tag to display the result of the variable that we have given. The same thing with $n2. So here $n2. So next we have here conditional statement. We have operation, operator, post. So whatever the button that we have selected, this will be the value. Let's say for example add, subtract, multiply, and divide will be stored in this variable operation. So we have here if operation equality add $res for result equals $n plus $n2, else if operation equals subtract $res equals $n1 minus $n2, else if dollar operation equals equality multiply, so $res equals $n multiply $n2, else lastly is the divide, and then close with our tag in PHP. Okay, so let us return to our program code, and then by this time we change some values. Let's say we can have 1000, and then we can have 100 as the second value. So when we add, we are expecting 1100. If we subtract, we can have 900. When we click the multiply button, we can have 100,000, and then when we divide, we can have 10. This is the end of our program video tutorial. I hope guys that you learned something new in this video tutorial. Please see the link on the description of this video so that you can download the complete source code. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorials, bye bye for now.